Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to install Beyond Compare on Ubuntu. To install it, first go to the Google, search for Beyond Compare. Website for scooter software will come. Here, go to the download free trials. A page of this type will open. Here we have different platforms, so we need to install on Linux. So we will go to Linux and we will see Linux installation instructions. It will show us the commands which we need to use to install it. Here we can scroll down, and as we can see that in terminal install we are having 3 commands that we need to use in order to install it. You can use this command, otherwise I can also copy these commands into the description. Then we need to copy it. Then we need to open the terminal. Then we need to give these commands in this particular window. We can paste the commands here and it will execute the command one by one. First, it will try to download the packages from the website. It can take some time. Here it is showing around 2 minutes. It depends upon the speed of internet connection that you are having. So it is downloading the packages. Here it will ask for the password, so I will enter my password here. Now it will do the installation. It can take some time. Now you can see the percentage of installation. It will take some time. Now installation is about to finish. Yes, now it is done. Just to confirm, just give compare command on the terminal, and after some time it should open the Beyond Compare UI. So as you can see, the UI is open. Now if we go to the help about Beyond Compare, we can see it is 64-bit edition and it is version 4.4.7. So now we can compare the files and folders using this particular tool. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.